Hello, today we have a 2008 Lexus GS 350. We're removing the yaw sensor. I have it removed already. I apologize, but I'm going to walk you through it. If you're doing it yourself, you know that this is the console. This is where the switch sets in front of the console. There's two screws here and here that need to be removed. I may be missing a set of screws because I know I removed two screws from the one of the side bezels for the console, the kick panels for the console. Just bear with me, okay? So these, we remove the kick panels. They have this one screw right here, and they actually twist and come up when they come out. They don't just slide straight back. So twist it up a little bit, and that'll make it come out easy. Now, what we have here is these are where your bolt holes, 10 millimeters, go right here. Okay, so this goes in the console that I showed you just a second ago, like this, and these tabs right here, you press these in and this whole thing will slide out, the whole switch panel. So you're going to disconnect your connectors. Make sure you're very careful about doing that. And once you remove the center console, because this bar right here is over top the breather apparatus, and after you remove the breather apparatus, the yaw sensor will be right here. Okay, the shifter cover pops up. Lightly pull up on it. I pulled from these little tabs here on the end here and then popped it all the way up. The shifter knob unscrews. As you can see, there's a thread right there. I will try to zoom in on everything so you can see it all. Now, the rear bolts, which did give me a task getting to, I used use one of these so you won't mess up the plastic, the console plastic, okay? And see this here, this pops off. It just pops off, it doesn't unscrew, and you just want to get up under it and then pry it backwards. Hold on a second, it sets up like this. So I pried at this point here, and then just lightly pried it back, and it popped out. So those screws, these two 10 millimeter bolts, are here, and you're going to access those through the back of the console, and you'll see it. It'll be readily available. Try to get you as much information as possible, but that's the back of the console. You got connectors back there you're going to need to disconnect when you remove it. So yes, in order to get to the yaw sensor, you will have to remove the console. I hope this video helps. This is for the GS 350 2008. I'm pretty sure it goes like to 2010 and whatnot. Please subscribe and like.